Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. I just saw you a few minutes ago, and here I am again. Okay, I need you to get your pencil, your crayons, and your This Is Me in September page. This Is Me in September page is inside your fish folder in one of the plastic sleeves. Okay, so get This Is Me in September, your pencil, and your crayons, okay? Now, I'm giving you quick instructions on this, and I want you to listen carefully, okay? You down here on this line, it says, this is how I write my name in September. So right here with a pencil, I want you to write your name as neatly as you can, okay? With pencil. Then I want you to draw a picture of yourself in September. Okay, so draw a picture of you. Okay, think about what you are doing. Think about what you could put in your picture. Okay, just think about that. And I would like for you this time to color your frame. Color your bear and your basket of apples and this basket of apples, okay? So this time I do want the frame colored because it makes it look a lot better. Okay, write your name with pencil. Draw you with pencil so you can erase if you make mistakes. Color with crayons, okay? And then color your frame, color your picture, color your bear and basket of apples and your basket of apples, okay? You guys, take your time and do your best work. I want to see what you look like in September. And when you're finished, I want this back inside your fish folder. Your August This Is Me, or This Is Me in August, should also be in there. Okay, because when we come back to school, Mrs. Hensley wants these. So This Is Me in August and This Is Me in September. When you're finished with it, go back inside there, okay? And your October one we will do later, okay? I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday again. Happy birthday again, Avery. And I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.